Hey everyone, and welcome back to our series on the amazing crafts behind the scenes of your favorite movies and shows. Today, we're diving into the modern era of costume design, a period from the 1990s to now that has completely transformed the industry. This isn't just about sewing pretty dresses anymore. It's a world where technology, history, and storytelling collide in incredible ways. Today's designers are innovators, blending artistry with engineering in a way that previous generations could only dream of. One of the biggest game changers has been technology. The rise of digital tools revolutionized how costumes are created. Designers now work side by side with visual effects artists, engineers, and digital sculptors. Think about the intricate armor or otherworldly jewelry you see on screen. Much of that is now made possible with 3D printing. Digital sculpting allows designers to create and refine complex shapes on a computer before a single piece of fabric is even cut. And of course, there's CGI. Many costumes are now designed to be enhanced digitally, adding impossible textures or magical transformations right on screen. Even the simple motion capture suit has become a costume in its own right. Movies like Black Panther, Avatar, and The Lord of the Rings are perfect examples of how physical craftsmanship and digital magic now work hand in hand to create unforgettable visuals. But it's not all about futuristic tech. In fact, modern costume design has also become more obsessed with the past. Audiences today are savvy and expect historical accuracy, and designers have definitely risen to the occasion. For period films, designers conduct deep archival research to get every detail right, from the type of button to the weave of the fabric. For stories centered on specific cultures, ethnographic studies are crucial to ensure representation is handled with deep respect and authenticity. They even work with experts to recreate historical textiles that no longer exist. This collaboration with historians is now standard practice. And you can see the results in films like Lincoln or the 2019 version of Little Women, and shows like The Crown. This incredible attention to detail doesn't just look good. It deepens the storytelling and pulls you right into the world. Now let's talk about superheroes. The superhero boom of the last 2 decades has pushed costume design into a high-tech discipline all its own. If you look back at early superhero suits, they were often made of simple foam rubber or spandex. But today, they're masterpieces of engineering. Modern suits use lightweight armor, custom-molded flexible polymers, and advanced breathable fabrics to look powerful while still allowing actors and stunt performers to move. The nanotech-inspired suits in films like Iron Man and Black Panther perfectly blend science fiction with real-world engineering principles. Every suit is a custom-built machine, designed for both aesthetics and function, ensuring both the actor's safety and the character's iconic look. Beyond the spectacle, costumes have become a powerful storytelling tool in their own right. A character's wardrobe is often a visual metaphor for their journey. Designers use color palettes to track emotional arcs, like a character wearing brighter colors as they find hope, or darker shades as they descend into turmoil. A change in silhouette can reflect a character's growth in power or a decline in their status. Even the texture of a fabric can signal an internal transformation. Think about Katniss Everdeen's evolving Mockingjay outfits, each one representing a different stage of her rebellion. Or the subtle color shifts in the show Breaking Bad. Wardrobe has truly become its own silent language, speaking volumes without a single word of dialogue. Finally, as our world becomes more environmentally conscious, so has the world of costume design. Sustainability and ethical sourcing are now major considerations. Designers are finding creative ways to reduce their environmental impact. This includes upcycling and repurposing old garments, using natural dyes and organic fabrics, and ensuring that textiles are ethically sourced. Some productions are even using digital pre-visualization to design and test costumes on a computer, which minimizes the waste from physical trial and error. Big-budget productions like The Witcher and Dune prove that you can build fantastical, epic worlds while still being mindful of our own. So, the modern era of costume design is a fascinating blend of tradition and innovation. Today's designers are historians, engineers, digital artists, and masterful storytellers all at once. From high-tech superhero armor to historically perfect gowns, and from symbolic color palettes to sustainable practices, Costume design is more dynamic and meaningful than ever before. It is a craft that proves that what a character wears is just as important as what they say. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look behind the curtain, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.